Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1939 Ford Coupe. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the 302 Ford roller lifter cam in there, brand new timing cover, double roller timing chain, oil pressure extensions on there for easy hookup. Proper oil pan for the 39 Ford Coupe, rear sump oil pan, oil stick and tubes on there, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Cobra valve covers, the breathers on there, MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in red, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Holley Sniper fuel injection systems on there. The complete Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, the menu screen, plug and play, ready to go. Every engine is run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. Timing will be set. Again, the Holley Sniper fuel injection completely dialed in, ready to go. We have the proper automatic flex plate on there, proper tooth count and balance for the customer's transmission and the 302 Ford. PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell. All the Russell heavy duty fuel lines with the AN fittings going up to the Sniper EFI set, ready to go. We have this real nice polished Raptor pulley kit with the heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt with a self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, 140 amp, one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps hooked up, all set. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed. So this is the way you get it, complete turnkey, ready to go, custom built, 302 Ford 350 horsepower engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.